Hi, my name is George at paintreproductions.com. I'd like to welcome you to the Simplon Pass Reproduction, originally painted by John Singer Sargent. John Singer Sargent is one of my favorite painters. This is a step away from the norm, where he's mostly known for doing portraits, which he was probably, to me, one of the best portrait painters ever. But he stepped away from it to take a break, and he visited Switzerland, where he painted Simplon Pass. This is a fun reproduction to do, especially with all the colors and the rocks and the water and the atmospheric effects in the background, which involves some glazing. The color, we'll be doing a lot of work with the color checker, a lot of mixing colors, because again, we're doing this with just a limited palette. So this is a real fun project. I hope you enjoy this project from start to finish. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you could subscribe to it, it really goes a long way in helping me bring these videos for free. Also, too, if you like it, go ahead and hit that like button, or if you don't like it, that's fine. If you leave me some comments, I'll try and improve what I'm doing to make it better. Again, any questions, comments, or concerns, you could just leave them. You could visit me at paintreproductions.com. You can see this and many other projects that I'm adding all the time. And from there, you can actually enroll, take the course, and do this a different way. It'll track your progress and things like that, all for free. So again, this is John Singer Sargent's Simplon Pass. It's a 100% free online course. If you have any questions, concerns, or comments, just reach out and let me know. Thank you.